coconut style fried chicken. Please cook with me as I prepare this chicken from start to finish, and I will definitely leave my ingredients in the description box. Welcome, 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 welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. Stay tuned. This video is on coconut fried chicken. If you watched another video that I did with buttermilk fried chicken, this is similar. So I seasoned my chicken overnight, some leg quarters, and I pierced little holes in them, which are called like pocket holes, which will help to allow heat to seep in to allow the chicken to be cooked the same time each side is being cooked. Because the leg quarters are a little bigger than probably legs or wing by itself, I normally pierce little holes in it so there are air holes where heat is able to seep in to allow to fry or marinate the chicken. So I added a tin of coconut milk on the chicken overnight. Here I'm doing my flour mixture base, and I will leave all the ingredients in the description box for anyone who is interested. If you're wondering what is that white thing on the chicken, it is the coconut milk. Because it's cold where I am, the coconut milk, like in the tin, it is normally like hard, or in Jamaican term we would say it's like sleeping because it's like cold. That's the reason why it looks that way. So in my seasoning, my flour base that I will be coating the chicken in, I added some coconut flakes in it. The coconut flakes, you can get that at the store. So I added coconut flakes in the seasonings with the flour, a little cornstarch to help with the frying of my chicken. So here I'm about adding in some vegetable oil to start the ball, to start the frying. So I will now be dipping the coconut seasoned chicken that was in coconut milk overnight. It's a little wet. I will be putting this in the oil. I make sure this is like well coated with flour. So I added my gloves on, and I make sure that both sides are coated with flour. This time, unlike other times, I took the skin off of the chicken because the flour itself is a coating for the chicken, and I really want to get the taste of the coconut crumbs so I can bite in my chicken. So I removed the skin. Unlike other times when I'm preparing it in my oven, and I tell you, in the oven the skin helps to protect the chicken from drying out. But this time, because I'll be using the flour or a flour base on the chicken, I removed the skin when I was seasoning this. And I did not show you how I seasoned this because I have a lot of videos out there with how I season my chicken, and I think it reduces the time. Also, for the video, I can leave the instructions, everything in the description box. So here, my oil, I will now be dripping like a little bit of flour in the oil to see if it is at the temperature that I want it. Mark you don't want your oil overeating, or you don't want your oil to be too hot because it will burn the chicken. So see, I added a little flour in it, and I can see it that it is ready. I did not check this with a temperature stick. I just know the old Jamaican way where you just add a little flour. You can see I added it. It's not cold. It's the right temperature for the chicken. I could have tested the temperature, but I know my oil was ready. You don't want your oil to be too hot, because if the oil is too hot as the chicken goes in, it will burn. And then what you don't want is you don't want the chicken to burn, and then you have to switch to the adjacent side, and then the inside of the chicken is raw. I use knife to pierce or bore little holes in the chicken because of the size of the chicken. Once you're frying chicken, it tends to have little blood, especially in the thigh section. So throughout the frying, you will see me using a fork to like touch the holes, pierce the holes once I switch it, to make sure there's no blood coming from it, there's no water. I love my meat well cooked. I don't like meat undercooked. And I don't want to see like blood coming out of my chicken. So there you can see my chicken is not burned. It's golden brown. You can also see the coconut flakes appearing on it. I know this is going to be another banger. This is my first time trying it, but I am trying to get away from the regular fried chicken, the regular everyday meal that we eat, to just give a little different taste and a little different touch. I also want to take this opportunity to big up all my new subscribers from over Strong Mommy Chrissy's channel. Big up yourself. Respect, love. Thank you so much for the love and the support that you have flooded me with. There you can see my chicken is like lit. My chicken is golden brown, looking juicy already, and I keep using my fork to stick the chicken to make sure there is no blood coming from it or no water. I want it well cooked. Again, big up my new family coming from over at Chrissy, at Mommy Strong, Chrissy's channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Please share my videos. Please make sure you leave a comment. Even if I don't respond to you the same day, I will get around to responding back to you within 24 to 48 hours. I want to interact with you so you feel loved and you feel good energy coming from me. I love what I do, and I respect that you really took the time to even touch the button to come over to my channel and to subscribe. I've been sending you all love and some long notes in the comment section. Please make sure you read it, and my heart is filled. I thank you so much. So here is the chicken, all fried, looking all crispy, not burned, and I just add them on the grill so that whatever oil, excess oil is in it, it can eventually just fall out. It can just drop out. Again, this was like my first time, and can I tell you, it was lit. One thing I can also note and tell you that because it's coconut and I use the coconut flakes, it kept popping. So it's also good. You can cover yours if you're experimenting trying. I chose not to because I'm now a pro at this. Anything I try, it always is lit. So again, I do hope that you will like this video. Please give me some likes. Please share. Please make sure you hit your notification bell. And I try my best to post at least 2 to 3 videos weekly. And because I'm getting support and more support each day, I will definitely promise you at least 3 videos per week. Thank you again for watching this video. And this again was some coconut fried chicken. There I'm showing you the inside of the meat. It is cooked. It is not raw. There's no blood coming from it. You can also try this recipe. Thank you again for the love. Stay blessed. Stay safe. God is love. Love you all. And I can't thank you all enough. Big up yourself, Strong Mommy Chrissy. Thank you for all the love and the support from persons from your channel who have come to support Shells Island Flavor Cooking. There are tons of videos there for you guys to watch, feast on, experiment on, and just drop and leave comments. Stay tuned. See you soon in my next video upload. If you stayed this far, please make sure you hit the like button. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and your notification bell so you don't miss a video. Again, have yourself a blessed day when you see this video, which will be Tuesday. Thank you again.